Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Sephora app not opening problem. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Sephora app and then tap on app info option. After that, tap on storage usage and here clear the cache as well as clear data. The next step is go to Google Play Store. Once you open Google Play Store, then tap on search icon and here tap on search bar and search for Sephora. Now tap on this and here update the app. You will see update button here, so simply update it. This will fix this issue. So hope this will help. Thanks.